Well, this is Wolf, and I may or may not put this on my YouTube channel, but I got myself a Hatchimal, so I'm just going to do some sort of an unboxing thing just for a record, and also a record of the hatching, because you can only do it once, so I wanted to keep a record of the hatching of the Hatchimal. So the box is pretty cool. It's got plastic here, you can see a little Hatchimal in there. These are the colours you can get. This is the purple Draggle's egg, so this is one colour you can get, or possibly it might be that one, so either one will be inside this egg. Not much really on the side of the box. Who's inside? It's a surprise. Each egg contains one of two magical Hatchimals. They've got Draggles and Pengualas, except the words are the wrong way round. Those are the Draggles and those are the Pengualas, so the titles are incorrect on the side there. Everything else is in a foreign language. It's made by Spin Masters, who made Chubby Puppies and Redikai and all those good things. I need you to take care of me, keep me safe and happy, and then hatch. When I'm ready, I really hatch. I can't do it without you. Play. You can teach me to walk, talk, dance and more. And that's the purpose of getting a Hatchimal. I want to know what the play value will be after it's hatched. And turning it over again, which one will choose you? Hatchimals can't hatch on their own. You are the key to releasing the magic, and it's in a million different languages as well. And let's not read any of them, because the only other language I can really speak is German. So there's a picture of the Hatchimals. Now the top of it shows the egg. It's not the actual egg though, it's just basically all one thing. It's just the plastic moulded top, and that is not separate. It's all one, and that's just to show you what the egg inside will look like. Something tells me I should open this from the bottom, and it's probably because I have spotted this little tab here. So let's open it up. You should be able to slide it out. Turn it back the other way. Give it a shake. Nope, it's not coming out. Pull it a little bit. Now the actual top of it, it wasn't glued at the front like I thought it was, so I could have lifted it out from the top, but the tape on the top was far better, like better quality, thicker tape, so I just cut the sticky tape on the bottom. So what you get inside is the egg in a plastic casing here that you can see with cardboard on the back of it, and it's got plenty of sticky tape all round. This is such a professional video. And then pull it out. There we go. It's got a load of information there in the back. Back to one side. Take this off. It's like opening an Easter egg. Oh, it's making noises. That's so cute. I think it's gone to sleep. One Hatchimal's egg reference guide, a Hatchimal in the egg instruction guide, and batteries it comes with. Things you need to know. I only hatch once. I cannot hatch without you holding me. Before I can hatch, you must play with me in my egg. I cannot hear you while I'm making noise. After I hatch, raise me through 3 stages: baby, toddler and kid. Oh, so they never grow up. You know you've reached the next stage when I show rainbow eyes. At each stage you unlock new interactions and games. After I hatch, you can reset me back to baby stage. So that's quite nice. So you can reset the little Hatchimal back to baby stage and raise it again, but you can't ever hatch it again. Obviously, like with real animals, they only hatch once. So you can nurture your egg, learn how to on page 3. Your Hatchimal cannot hatch without your help. Learn to encourage it. Care for your Hatchimal's wants and needs. Teach your Hatchimal to walk, talk and dance. Unlock new games to play with your Hatchimal. Before your egg will hatch, you must take care for it. Holding will take up to 20 or 25 minutes in total. You can nurture your egg continuously or over time. Always hold me by the bottom of my egg. Tilt the egg to play with me. Tap on the egg and I will tap back. I can only hear you tap when I am quiet. Hold or rub the bottom of the egg to hear my heartbeat or warm me up. Oh, this is so cute. Tilt, tap or touch to interact with your egg. Okay. Stage 2 is hatching. Hatchimals out of the egg. Hatchimals tips and tricks. Eggs and stages. Colour dictionary. Oh, that's useful. Tells you the emotions of the Hatchimal. And games. Games you can play with it. Right, blue. It's got two little LED lights there. So blue means I'm cold. Oh, I've got to rub the bottom of the egg to warm him up. It's pink. And yellow means I'm exploring, play in different ways and see what happens. Oh, he's angry, he doesn't like that. I'm upset, rub the bottom of my egg. Oh no, he's got hiccups. Tap on the bottom of the egg when he's got hiccups. There you go. Gotta really pull it.